In this video I'll show you how to write C program in Linux environment. In order to do that, you need to connect to the server. In order to connect to the server, we will make use of a software called as putty. So this is the software. So here you need to enter the IP address of the server which you want to get connected to. So this particular IP address will be provided by the programmer in your laboratory. So I have already set it up this. So simply I'll choose this long font 81, means for that particular IP address I have given some name. So directly I'll open my environment by choosing this particular saved session. Now click on open. So here this login ID password will be given by the programmer. So here in my environment it is Oracle, username is Oracle and password is. So once if you enter into this particular environment by typing username and password, you will be able to see this dollar prompt. So in order to check currently where you are, you need to type as pwd, which is nothing but, click on enter. So here this is the particular directory where you are there currently, which is under home Oracle. Now let us create one folder here. So in Linux environment it should be called as directory. In order to create directory, click on mkdir space some name. So the keyword is mkdir and the folder name or the directory name that I am giving is TMSY. So mkdir space TMSY, click on enter. Now in order to check whether this particular directory is created or not, click on ls. So it will list all the files and folders which are present under home Oracle. So in order to see properly, click on ls-l. So you can observe here there is a folder which is created by the name TMSY, and why I am calling this one as directory means you can see the first word here which is nothing but D. Here D is nothing but directory, and the next three words which are nothing but R, W and X. Here R stands for read, W stands for write, X stands for execute. So the first three is used for the sake of user. These are nothing but user level permissions. And the next three will indicate group level permissions. So group level permissions are read and execute. And this is nothing but others, which is nothing but read and execute. So simply you need to remember the first word will indicate a directory. The next three words which are nothing but R, W and X is for user. Next three for group and next three for others. So Oracle is nothing but a user and oinstall is nothing but a group. And here TMSY is nothing but a folder. So you can simply identify a folder by means of this color. So here this blue color indicates it is nothing but a folder. So a folder is created by the name TMSY. Now in order to type our code, we need some text document. In order to do that, click on vi space name of the file that you want to create. So vi is a keyword, vi space add.c, click on enter. So I need to type my particular C code here. In order to do that, first click on I stands for insert. Now you can start typing the code. So just I am typing a code in order to add two variables a and b, and I want to store the result in C. So for that, #include stdio.h, which is nothing but an header file. Next int main. So here integers are a, b and c. So printf, enter two values. Next, in order to load the values, I will make use of scan statement. So scanf %d %d, so ampersand a followed by ampersand b. So ampersand a is nothing but the value which you enter first will be stored in a and the next value will be stored in b. So every line should end with a semicolon. So here the actual logic which you need to write is C is equal to a plus b. Next, printf total value, after summation total value is equal to %d, and the value that I want to print is C. So next, close this flower braces. So now you have to save. In order to save, first click on escape. After that, hold shift button and click on colon. Next WQ. Here W stands for saving and Q stands for quit. So save and quit. So escape, shift colon WQ, enter. So now your file is saved. In order to see that, go to the particular TMSY folder and you can check. Suppose if you have not stored that particular add.c in TMSY folder, we can move it also. So let us type ls or else ls-l. So if you observe here, this add.c is not stored in TMSY directory. So it is stored under home oracle. So in order to move this one, simple command which you need to type is move mv space add.c to TMSY, enter. Now type ls-l. If you observe here, add.c is not present here. Now it will be moved into TMSY. So cd change directory TMSY. Click on enter. Now ls, see here. Now add.c is present under TMSY directory. So add.c code is written properly. Now in order to compile it, click on cc space add.c. So it will show you if there are any errors. So there are no errors present. Now click on ls. So compiled file a.output is seen here. Now we need to execute this one. In order to execute, ./a.out. Click on enter. Now it is asking you to enter two values. So the two values that I will enter is 10. Click on enter. One more value 10. Click on enter. So the total value is 20. So c is equal to a plus b. So the first 10 value will be stored in a and the next 10 will be stored in b. Finally c is equal to a plus b will be executed, which is nothing but 10 plus 10 is 20. So this is how you need to write C program in Linux environment. Thank you.